Hi, GVS here. I'm recording this video today, that is on 19 February 2026, just to give you some timeline reference. I'll be covering this share market services theme, in this video. So this at the outset, this was launched about about 2023, about 3 years ago, and as on date, the CAGR returns are in the order of magnitude of 32.72% per annum. Okay, these are gross reported returns. But what are the highlights of this? Okay, one highlight I want to share with you is while this has given on a 3-year basis the return that I mentioned about 32 plus returns, if you notice in the last 1 year, because of our unique rebalancing approach, this has given a return of around 36% as on date from now to last 1 year, because of our rebalance approach, wherein we booked profits in the stocks, we exited or reduced the weightage of the stocks, the money we parked in the gold has given some returns, good returns, and then we exited from the gold also to some extent, and then the money we parked in liquid funds also has given return. So a combination of this has enabled us to record a return of about 36% in a market where small caps stocks are undergoing some pretty severe correction, as you would have noticed or experienced or watched it from sidelines. So that is the context. Now, share market services as a theme is a wonderful thing. So this is like a wealth management theme. This theme also has the potential to run for several decades. For example, it will have brokerage firms, digital brokers and whatnot, with increased investments or phenomenal shift from by retail investors from FDs into mutual funds to achieve the investment-led growth. Broking firms will only do well with massive volatility of ups and downs during correction times. So share broker companies, then you have platforms like BSEs, NSEs. I'm not saying I have all of them in this portfolio. I'm just saying that share market services means what? Brokerage services, platform platform exchanges, then you have the related demat account service like CDSLs and NSDLs. So there are a gamut of subsegments which constitute share market services. So all these they're all in phenomenally high growth phase. So growth is a key determinant is given in this, which is so when the market becomes expensive, of course a small cap will correct brutally. That's a different matter. But industry, the segment as a theme, this is a high growth theme, just like a wealth management theme. This is a high growth theme where well managed companies are doing really well. Of course, not all of them will do well, some of them will do well. So that's the brief about share market services. That's the highlight of last 1 year performance. This is all I've given you the highlight of last 3 years also. One rebalance thing we have done is we are sitting tight on cash now in this segment as on date, sitting pretty actually on this date. So that is why our the portfolio is unlikely to fall even if the small cap index corrects steeply even from here. But it will also give us some very, very interesting opportunities to re-enter some of the stocks, to add more to the stocks that have come through IPO and are going through correction. So there are a lot of things that are happening. So stay calm, wait for my rebalance note on this sooner than later. The only thing you need to do from your side is just sit tight. Follow the weightages. Of course, it's discretionary in your hands, but we will always recommend in good faith. Yeah. So those are some of the highlights. Otherwise, you would know generally if it is part of share market services theme itself is likely to benefit despite the controls or the whatever guidelines that come from SEBI from time to time in terms of expense ratios or in terms of cost, because these companies are making phenomenally high profits. SEBI also is looking at them and seeing how do we pass on some of the benefits to the retail investors. So that is the context in which you get those F&O guidelines and brokerage guidelines on brokerage and expense ratio limits and all that stuff. Okay, just stay calm and we wish you all the very best in your investing journey. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the other side.